This video will give you an introduction to the computer algebra system Maple. Maple is available in the Math Computer Lab on the first floor of Building 61, just adjacent to the T-Mark. When you first open Maple, you will be taken to a page that looks like this. To begin your project, you will need to open either a new document or a new worksheet. There is no difference between a new document and a new worksheet other than how it appears to you visually. A worksheet will display each new line on your page with a red arrow in the front. You may want to use this view if you like a more coding type of display. A document will display each new line without an arrow. In other words, it looks more like a word processing kind of document. The steps you will use to complete your assignment will be the same in either view, so pick a new document or a new worksheet based on either your taste or the directions from your instructor. If you are unsure whether your instructor prefers a specific type of view, please contact him or her to find out. The left-hand side of Maple has some important function templates and elements that you may want to get familiar with. The Expression tab includes a number of different expression templates that you may want to use, such as square roots, absolute value, and e. The Calculus tab includes templates for things like limits, derivatives, and integrals. The Common Symbols tab will include many characters such as pi and infinity, and the Greek tab will include additional Greek characters like theta. The Matrix tab will let you create a matrix with a specified number of rows and columns. To perform operations in Maple, you must type in line commands and/or use these options from the left-hand set of tabs. Let's see an example. I can type the command plot, followed by an open parentheses. Then on the left, I can choose the square root, type in x plus 2, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And Maple will return to me the graph of the square root of x plus 2. If you ever want to enter a command but you do not want to have the output displayed, you can insert a colon at the end of your line and hit enter, and Maple will execute your request but will not provide any visual output. Let's remove the colon and get our graph back. Entering arbitrary spaces in a Maple command line can prevent the line from executing properly. For example, if I added a space after the word plot in this line and hit enter, the computer would not produce my graph. To avoid this, do not add any spaces into your lines. Spaces are unnecessary and will often cause problems. There are two modes in which you can enter information. If you wish to enter plain text into Maple, for example to include your name or a summary of your results, enter your information as text by clicking on the text option at the top. If you wish to execute mathematical commands, enter your information in the math mode. You can toggle between the text and the math mode by clicking the F5 button on your keyboard. I hope this video has been helpful in giving you an introduction to Maple. Please review our additional videos to learn about specific functions.